Welcome back, everyone. Happy Friday. Christine here from Unique Sapphire. So glad to see that you're here. We made it through another week. I hope you made something awesome this week, or you're working on something awesome. So, I'm a little sniffly. I'm not sure if my allergy meds are not working correctly or I'm coming down with something. This week in the studio, I've just fallen so far behind. However, I did make a few posts. One was, I believe Sunday it was, and it was all over this little, well, not so little zippered pouch. Now, one thing to keep in mind, guys, every time that you knit, crochet, or weave, you're creating a fabric. So keep that in mind, because I had a lot of comments and email about, yikes, I'm so afraid of cutting my weaving. I don't have a serger. I just zigzag and then cut in between the zigzags. That way here the weaving does not come unwound. Just like if you were going to knit a bag or something like that, you would knit the sides or knit it in the round or however, and you'd hand sew or put it to your sewing machine and put a lining in. It's not much different, or a zipper for that matter, on a sweater. So yes, you're creating a fabric. So all you weavers out there, don't be afraid to cut it. Just do a nice little zigzag. Make sure you cut in between the two so that way here your woven pieces will not come unraveled. I've also, like the last video on weaving, warping, the loom is still here. Haven't made any progress other than I did put on my scrap starter to even out the warping threads on here. What I've been really focusing on, I've got all these notes and sticky notes upon sticky notes, writing this bolero pattern. It's all about the small little details to get it right. I did make a post about the texture that's on it. I'm getting there. I am almost at the 3/4 mark. So that way here, the sleeves aren't going to take long. So that is another thing that I've been working on. And just look at that texture. So I will be making a video because I kind of went against the grain traditionally on some aspects of what I'm doing here. So that way here, if you're interested in downloading the pattern once it's available, that I'll go through all of that. So that has been on my plate for this week, other than this head thing going on. But I've been perusing the internet in between sipping coffee and wishing my nose would just, I wish I had a faucet where I could just turn it off like a spigot. I've been looking at crochet stitches. And I'm not sure what I want to do. And I would love your input on what you think I should add to my crochet repertoire, because right now I only know a few stitches just to get me by. Again, I've never was taught to read a crochet pattern either. So that's another thing that I want to stretch my little fingers on and get hooking here soon, because with this one out of the way, weaving will be a breeze. And yeah, so tell me what you think I should get my hook into. I was thinking maybe fillet, because then I have to read a chart or something on that line. But what would I make with that? I'm at a loss. Maybe you guys will have a great idea or many great ideas, and then I'll have to prioritize those ideas. All right, guys, that's it for today. Sorry, it's just an update on what's been happening in the studio. As always, please like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified for when I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Did mommy scare you? Did mommy scare you? I'm sorry, Gus. I'm sorry. Do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say? No. Looks like your allergies are bothering you too. We gotta wash that eye. Don't we? Say bye-bye.